Special thanks to our friends at ESR who were nice enough to send us their Orbit with HaloLock hybrid case. This is an AirPods Pro 2 case that includes a lanyard. You can see MagSafe charging ready, protective AirPods cover, nothing on the top, just company info on the bottom, tech made easier, ESR on this side. So let's open it up and take a look at these AirPods protective case. Nice little arrow. I do love that presentation. Like, that's just golden. Nothing in here. Now you're ready for anything. So, help information here and warranty info. We have a nice cleaning utensil for your AirPods and just a little instruction set for you. Pretty simple. And then these are the Orbit hybrid case with HaloLock. The HaloLock is here on the back. You're able to easily magnetize this to a charging device to charge your AirPods, so you don't have to take them out of this case. Of course, if you open this up, put a little filler in there, nice. Your AirPods would go right down in here, and then this part is actually magnetic. You can see the little magnets there, so that will stay right on, and then it has a nice little lanyard for your wrist, for maybe if you're jogging or at the gym or something like that. They even branded it with ESR there. I like that. Now you could of course replace this with one for a necklace. That's totally up to you. Your AirPods would be fully still usable in this case, nicely protected to where if you drop them or something like that, they're not going to get broke. They shouldn't get broke. They shouldn't get cracked. They'd be nicely protected in this ESR Orbit HaloLock hybrid case. So thanks again to ESR, who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.